Hey, good morning, everyone. Nick here, NIC with Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon location. Want to do a quick walkthrough video for you of this beautiful new arrival, 2017 Leisure Travel Serenity on the Sprinter chassis. Super high quality, stock number 24969 if you want to check it out online. Canadian built, very well insulated, large, beautiful windows, massive power awning with the LED light. 2017 full body paint, check it out, super nice machine. Lots and lots of exterior storage compartments on these class models. As you take a look at the inside, all the upholstery's in pristine condition. There's no cracking or flaking or discoloration in this machine. You got the large dinette. It's going to go down to a bed, and you can actually entertain with these seats swiveled up to about 6 adults. Also, all the interior storage compartments, beautiful solid wood cabinetry, solid surface counters with deep stainless steel sink, 2-burner propane cooktop. You got the deep wardrobe closets here on the right, super usable floor plan, massive corner bath with the one-piece shower, and this has the corner bed that will power down to a sofa with to a bed with a push of a button. Super easy to use. High point convection microwave. You got the 2-way fridge and freezer. Under 50 hours on the generator, so hardly used, and super low miles on the chassis as well. If you want to check it out, johnsonrv.com, stock number 24969. If you have any questions, give someone on the team a call at 458-226-2472.